Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick check-in to give you a little bit of information about a couple of things. First of all, we're going to take all of this just 1 week at a time. I'll give you more information as I have it, but I first wanted to talk about the assignments. So all of the assignments that I've put in this week and the assignments that I'll put in next week are optional for you. They're just a review of things that we've already learned about. Of course, I prefer if you do them so that you can keep up to date with what we're going to do in social studies. I also want to let you know that I fixed the quizzes link. I put a new link in there so everybody should be able to access it. And I also put some enrichment sites with some games, some geography games, some civics games. So if you get bored, and you might, go ahead and check those out. Maybe you'll learn something too. Every week, I'm going to send you a Google form to do a little bit of a check-in with you. This just lets you know that I'm thinking about you and I want to know if you have any questions. And if you do, then I can contact you directly and we can work out those questions together. Okay? You're also welcome to email me at any time with any questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you. All right, I hope that you're doing well. Wash your hands and remember, clear eyes, full hearts. All right. Bye, guys.